So in this video, we're going to talk about how to turn an improper fraction to a mixed number. So let's look at number one, for example, 22/4. So we want to change this into a mixed number. To do that, we have to divide our numerator by our denominator. So over here, I set it up to how it should look once you set it up all over here. Your denominator will be your divisor, and your numerator will be your dividend. So let's write it out. So 4 is my divisor, and 22 is my dividend. So this is familiar. This is a regular division problem. So let's solve it out. So I want to think of how many times can 4 go into 22. Okay, well I think 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 is too big, so we're left with 5. So 4 can go into 22 5 times. So 4 times 5 is 20. 2 minus 0 equals 2. And then 2 minus 2 equals 0. Of course, we can't go any further, so 2 is our remainder. So you're probably thinking, well, how do I take these numbers and make it into a mixed number? Okay, then over here I put with every number over here, I put where it should be in your mixed number. So let's start with here. The divisor, which would be your denominator. So our divisor is 4, so 4 will be our denominator. So I'm gonna put it over here. Okay then, our quotient will be our whole number, which in this case is 5. And then you have our remainder, which is 2, will be our numerator. But we're not quite done yet because 2/4 can be simplified. So I want to think of a number that I can divide into 2 and 4 and give me a whole number. 2 comes to mind, so I'm divided by each one by 2. I'm gonna keep my 5. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. And then 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So your answer is 5/2. Okay then, let's look at number 2, 9/8. So we're gonna set it the same way. We're gonna divide our numerator by denominator. So our divisor is our denominator, which is 8. And then our numerator is our new dividend, which is 9. So I want to think of how many times can 8 go into 9? Only one time, so minus 8. So 8 times 1 is 8. So 9 minus 8 equals what? 1. So remainder of 1. So now we're going to take this information here and make our mixed number. So our divisor, which is 8, will be our new denominator. And actually, let me separate this. Our quotient, which is 1, will be our whole number. And our remainder, which is another 1, will be our numerator. So you should have got 1 and 1/8. So pause the video, and I want you to try to do number 3 on your own, 10/7. And then when we come back, we'll work it out together. Okay, then let's check your work. 10/7. So again, we're going to set it up just like this. So 7 as our divisor, and 10 is our dividend. So how many times can 7 go into 10? Well, 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 is too big, so we're left with 7, so 1 time. Minus 7. So 10 minus 7 equals 3. Of course, we can't go any further, so our remainder is 3. So again, we're going to take this information and make our whole number. So our divisor, which is 7, will be our denominator. Our numerator will be 3, which is our remainder. And then our quotient, 1, will be our whole number. So you should have got 1 and 3/7. If you got that, you're on it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also below, comment anything you want me to cover, make a video out in math, language arts, social studies, K through 12. And I will do my best to get a video made as quick as possible. Thank you. Can't wait to see you again.